Hello, everyone, to session number four about PMO and governance. So, today we're going to talk about project rightsizing and why it's important. As the name suggests, rightsizing is to right size your project, define it so that you can do the effective governance, you can do the right kind of template, you can do the right kind of structure that's needed. And why it's important is, let's say you've classified your projects into, let's say it's a high category project based on a technological uh, category, if it's a new technology or the size of the project. Then you want to make sure you do all the things which are required for that project. You plan and get sign off on it. So let's say if it's a architecture, new architecture, then you'd go through an architecture stage gate process, for example, and make sure it passes the architecture guidelines and it's compatible with the existing architecture. And conversely, if it's a small project, you don't need to do the whole jinbang. You don't even need to do a business case. You'll just do a small version of the charter, and you'll do your requirements, your design, code, testing, implementation. That's it, and you're out, right? So you don't need to do everything that's required for a large project for a small project, right? They'll have their own paths of moving ahead based on the size, number of people, effort, or the new technology involved. So right sizing really helps you. What you want to do is you want to get sign off on your project, on the right sizing of your project as well, and showcase that to the business. So let's say now you're in your implementation phase, you're about to implement your project, and you're doing a review. Your business says, you know what, I would like a penetration test or a security test. You say, well, you know what, this is the right sizing document you signed off on, and what changed. And if they say, you know what, there's a demand from the customer and he really needs to see that, then the ball is in their court. I mean, they need that now. So you give them the extra effort, and likely you'll get a new date because it's on them. You did your part, you got that sign off, you're protecting yourself, and you're being proactive with your planning as well. So it adds tremendous value to your PMO by doing that, because you documented what you're going to do, and you're still being flexible, and you earned their trust, and you showed your professionalism. So there's nothing like a right sizing document that you have signed off on as you go through your project. Of course, there are changes like in any real life situation, and you deal with those changes in an effective manner. So it's of tremendous help. I hope this helps, and thank you very much.